What the fuck have you been saying about me? Huh?
Nothing, okay? I didn't say anything about—
Liar. You are threatening to destroy my party, aren't you? Destroy my empire and all my supporters with it.
You killed Courage. You shot him outside the street and started broadcasting propaganda on television. What is wrong with you, Louis? What kind of man are you? You are a disgrace and a criminal.
Just like you are, Maggie Pesky.
What?
Wallace Beery? Wallace fucking Beery?
Brighten up the night. I have you, love, and we can face the music.
What the fuck that did you do?
If you think you have the guts to destroy my empire, you're dreaming. The war is just beginning.